This video is for you who would love to take cinematic shots with this thing or any gimbals actually, but can't find the patience nor the right movement to do it. Coming up.
Damn.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, bienvenue, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll learn step by step and with details how to make crane shots with the Osmo Pocket. It's going to be easy peasy after watching it. And if we don't know each other yet, enchantée, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist and my YouTube channel is all about high-tech. It's small and lightweight and yet it can stabilize footage like a pro. The good thing is that you can attach it to your smartphone, control the camera and roll, tilt and pan remotely. These are the three magic words that will help you make cinematic shots. Let's try it first without any accessories except our phones as a controller. Okay, first I'll explain the theory and then we will see how to do a crane shot step by step. In filmmaking or in a video production, a crane shot, also called a jib shot, is a shot taken by a camera or a crane or jib. Crane shots are a big part of any large broadcast production. A crane shot is when the camera is moving physically up and down or side to side on what is essentially a long arm extending from a tripod. It makes a dynamic movement. Yes, I said extending arm, this is too short, but before adding an extra accessory, let's see how to do it with the basics and see what it looks like. So we basically stand on our knees and use our arm like the extension of our Osmo Pocket. Let's do just that for the moment. Later, you'll see I'll add some extra movement and tilting. Okay, let's push record. We are on our knees, but we can get up easily. Someone is passing by. We raise slowly the camera and we are up. Facile. If you're still here and enjoy this video, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel so we can see each other more. Now, a little more complicated, just a little. Same context, someone is walking and we will film him walk its path. This time we will play with the camera as well. While we move up with the gimbal, we will control the camera with our smartphone and move it down at the same time. Stay with me. Now don't panic, it's easy, you'll see. Your camera is aiming up when you start the movement. As you're moving up with your body and your gimbal, your camera is moving, oui c'est ça, down. Keep in mind that the camera movement is slow, not too fast. Voila! Try this a couple of times before we add a new accessory, a boom pole or a monopod. Let's add the Osmo Pocket at the top position of the pole while you hold the boom pole on the other end. Facile. To control your camera with your phone, you'll need a long cable. With the cable, you'll have no lag, which is important. If you're looking for a long cable, I'll put a link in the description down below. It's the one I have in my hand. If you buy it from my link, I'll get a small percentage from Amazon, so you know it will help us both. Now, as you move the gimbal downwards, you control the camera with your smartphone and move it upwards at the same time. As you can see, the effect with the boom pole is much more impressive than before. It's almost like you are filming with a drone. And the longer your boom pole is, the more you can see the effect on the screen. But of course, you will need a longer cable and you need to be stable as well, which is more complicated with a longer boom pole. Et les amis, if you haven't done it yet, hit the pouce bleu and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, reviews and fun! See you next week. Take care. Salut!